Hello, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever considered getting yourself a sporty looking automatic car, diesel, ULEZ compliant, sub £8,000? We might just have the car for you. It's over there. Let's take a look. Here we have it. It's the Mercedes-Benz A200d. It's the AMG line, the 7-gear DCT automatic gearbox on it. Euro 6 ULEZ compliant diesel. So no clean air zone charges around cities where that applies. Road tax on this is £195 a year. Gives a combined MPG of 70 miles per gallon, I think, which is fantastic for an automatic car like this. 0 to 60 is 8.8 seconds, so it doesn't hang about getting down the road fast enough for you. 134 brake horsepower and a top speed of 130. Electric windows all round, illuminated kick plates. It is high mileage on this one, it's 128,600, but it is absolutely faultless. And the seats are in fantastic condition. Normally these start to crack and go. There's maybe just a little bit of mark in there, but I think to write home about. Reverse camera, cruise control. We had the car MOT'd when it came into us, so it's got MOT on it. It was serviced at the same time as well. The only thing that came up on the MOT that we haven't done as of yet, there was an advisory for the front brake discs and pads. So they will be done in the next couple of days. So it'll have brand new discs and pads. The only thing I can grab this on, to be honest with you, are possibly the wheels are in, well, you could do with a refurb. If that's your bag, if that's something that bothers you, it's something we won't be doing. We can certainly facilitate it for you if you want it doing before purchase, but we've priced the car well under book price. The book price on this, I think, is about 8.1, 8.2, and we're well under on this. So as far as we're concerned, it's got 12 months MOT, been serviced, new brake discs and pads on the front before it goes. And of course, it's got 3 months warranty, which you can extend to 12 or 24 months, should you so wish. It's a really nice bit of kit, 5-door hatchback, automatic, cheap to run, and it looks pretty. You know, apart from the mileage is high on it, but the condition for the miles is brilliant. So there we have it, the Mercedes-Benz A200d AMG line. If you would like to arrange a test drive on this car, or you want any more information, or to discuss part exchange, nationwide delivery, whatever else, just drop us a message or give us a call. The car's located at our Alvechurch site. You're more than welcome to come and view it, take it on a test drive whenever you wish. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more cars we've got on sale here at Small Affordable Cars. Ta-da!